Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to sync your Fitbit with Strava. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Strava application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead to the App Store on your mobile phone, open it up and search for Strava. Once you find the Strava application, you want to install it and open it up. So once we have opened it up, now we can get started with logging in. Go ahead and log in to your account that you want to track your activities with, and then you're going to go and be greeted by this main page. So this is the home page of the Strava application from where we can get started with our activities. We have our maps, we can record our routes and so on. And now let's go ahead and take a look at how to sync our Fitbit to track our activities better with it. So basically guys, it's very easy. What we want to do is click right here in the upper left corner. In the upper left corner, click on your profile picture, and once you click on that, it's going to take you to your profile page. And now on your profile page, right here in the upper right corner, you can take a look at this gear icon. This gear icon is going to take us to the settings of our account. So once you click the gear icon, it's going to open up the settings of Strava, and now as you can see immediately we have an option that says connect an app or a device. So once we click to connect an app or a device, this is going to enable us to select what we want to connect. As you can see here, we have our Fitbit option, and you have all the options that you can connect any kind of watch that you have. You are going to go and be able to connect to Strava via this way. So it's all found in the settings, so there is where you can go ahead and do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.